Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am going to be giving you all a sneak peek of the upcoming new, I believe this is going to be spring Vogue collection. I'm really excited to dig into these patterns. I've already taken a look, so I know what's in here. So I'm going to just show you a few of the patterns. This new Vogue collection will be live on 1/25/24, so January 25th, 2004. So if you see anything that you like, go ahead and write down the number so when the collection is on the website on simplicity.com, you can head on over, place your orders, and then get your patterns and start sewing. So let's go ahead and dive in. There is one pattern in here that I know I'm not going to share simply because it's a big deal, okay? I know the brand is planning a really big launch around this pattern, so I'm not going to share it in this sneak peek video, but just know Vogue 2000 is a pattern that you're probably going to want to get, okay? I will drop some clues. It is a vintage pattern reproduction. It is known as an iconic pattern. Yeah, this pattern has been sought high and low by many sewers. So if you are one that loves vintage patterns, or if you are one for, history and having iconic designs and things of that sort, get ready. Go ahead and write down Vogue 2000, period. Go ahead and write it down. Write it down, okay? Let's continue. Vogue 2001, this is another vintage pattern reproduction. This is a Mrs. dress. This is 1940s. So if you love vintage patterns, if 1940s is your style, definitely go ahead and write down this number. This pattern can be made in satin, shantung, as well as taffeta. I don't know if I'm saying shantung right. If I'm not, please let me know in the comments. But it's one of the fabric recommendations. And for sizing, this pattern goes from an 8 to a 26. Next up is a really cute one. This is Vogue 2004. This is a Mrs. dress in 2 lengths. It's a lined dress. It is fitted through the bust, has raglan sleeves. For fabric recommendations, you can make it in a chiffon, a crepe de chine, lightweight linens, and you will need some lining fabric for this pattern as well. And for sizing, it's available in sizes 8 through 26. A really nice dress. This is going to be great for spring. Next up, ooh, this is Vogue 2008. Vogue 2008. This is a lined bias cut halter style dress. You can make this out of charmeuse, crepe de chine, as well as georgettes. I really do like the line cuts on this. I've seen this in other patterns as well, but I think it's just really beautiful. I love that it's bias cut. I love the nice long kind of tie going down the back of it. This pattern is available in sizes 4 through 22. I think this would be fantastic for weddings coming up in spring. So if you maybe mother of the bride, or maybe you are a bride that kind of likes this style, I love this. So go ahead and jot down 2008. I just realized I forgot to tell you all to grab your papers, your pens, your notebooks, or open your notes app to jot down these numbers. So go ahead and do that. Next up is 2009, and oh my gosh, it's the sleeves for me. They're just like, they're sitting. The sleeves are sitting, okay? This is a Mrs. dress. It's close-fitting line dress with a sweetheart neckline. You can make this out of a crepe back satin and 4-ply crepe, stretch crepe as well. Contrast 1 is in a heavy satin. Contrast 2 is in a crepe de chine. You will need some lining fabrics as well as some interfacing. It says you also need 2 interfacing, so a fusible interfacing and a sew-in interfacing. So make sure that you pay attention to those and don't just get the fusible one and think you're all good. You need some sew-in interfacing as well. And as far as sizing go, this pattern is available in size 8 through 26. Oh, this is giving prom. This is giving you came to see me. This is my moment. Is it not? I think it is. Vogue 2010 is a statement dress. This is a Mrs. dress in 2 lengths with A, B, C, and D cup sizes. It's close fitting, underlined, and lined open back trumpet dress with princess seams. Very nice details. You can make this out of a brocade as well as Duchess satin. There are some other fabrics here as well that you can make this dress out of. And it's available in sizes 6 through 24. Next up is 2013, and I love the skirt on view B. She's giving volume. She's giving twirl. She's giving yes. I love it. This is a misses skirt in 2 lengths. It's fitted, unlined skirt. It has double-breasted front button openings. For fabrics, you can use a cotton twill, a linen, a lightweight denim, as well as tweed. And for sizing, it's available in size 6 through 24. I love UB. She's a moment. She really is. I really do love that. I really do love that skirt. And I'm just go ahead and put this pattern to the side for me. Next up is Vogue 2017. This is a really nice misses jacket in 2 lengths with skirts and pants. So you have the skirt, pants, and the jacket all right here in this pattern. This is a close-fitting lined jacket. It has a 2-piece sleeve, princess seams, and welt pockets. For fabric recommendations, you can make it in a linen, a tweed, or wool crepe. You also need some lining fabric for this as well, and it is available in sizes 8 through 26. I love the fabrics that they chose for the cover. It's definitely giving spring. It's definitely giving Easter. I'm here for it. So if you are interested in this pattern, definitely write down Vogue 2017. Next up is Vogue 2021. Is it me or is these just really sounding like the years as I call them out? 2021. Okay, Vogue 2021. This here is a misses one-shoulder dress with pants. I love that it has that pants option on it. Very nice. It's a loose-fitting one-shoulder neck dress with neck facing and visible side seam zipper and length variations with a narrow hem. For fabric recommendations, you can make this in a charmeuse, a linen blend, or a rayon challis, as well as a silk crepe. And for sizing, this is available in size small through extra large, and it looks like all the sizes are in one envelope. You guessed it, 2022. Vogue 2022. This is a men's jacket, shorts, and pants pattern. I love the pocket details here on these jackets. I think they are really nice. It looks like they even have a hidden placket, which is fun. And those big pockets, I love that. So it's semi-fitted, unlined jackets. It has a pointed collar, 2-piece sleeves, and button cuffs, concealed front button closure and front pockets. Lots of great details here. Like I said, it is a pants and shorts pattern as well. For fabric recommendations, you can use a cotton blend, linen, medium weight wovens, as well as a twill. And for sizes, it's available in size 34 through 52. Well, that is all for this video, friends, and I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Again, I'm only sharing a sneak peek. Know that there are more patterns in this collection. Again, this collection will be live on January 25th, 2024. So I did not give you all a long wait gap, okay? You only got a couple days or even a day, depending on when this video goes up. So again, I hope that you wrote down your numbers. Stay tuned to simplicity.com so you know when this collection is live. And I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.